In this video, we'll discuss how much a traveling notary makes as a traveling notary signing agent. Hi, I'm John Snedeker with Notary Signing Agent Blueprint, where my blueprint takes you further, faster. Feel free to subscribe to learn how to make the absolute most as a traveling notary. So how much does a traveling notary make? Well, it depends if they're a regular notary public or they're a notary signing agent or loan signing agent. Let's dive into some of the details now. Notary signing agents or traveling notaries don't have a salary. They're paid per closing. When you become your own boss and create your own schedule, there are many perks with being a traveling notary and loan signing agent. They get paid between $75 and $175 per closing that they complete. So if every day you did 3 closings a day at $100 per closing, 5 days a week, you'd be making about $78,000 a year. Signing agents are expected to show up on time, walk a borrower through a set of loan documents, sign and notarize, and then drop off the paperwork when they're completed at FedEx or UPS with a pre-printed label. They're able to work either full-time or part-time because this is a very independent job. You actually have the power of your schedule of when you want to take orders and the locations that you want to service around you. They make great money and up to $175 per closing simply because they just need to know a little bit more about what they're working on the paperwork than a regular notary public. Notary signing agents are specialists, and when you get the specialist training and the specialist credentials, it allows you to become and get specialist pay. There are over 4.5 million notaries in America, but there's only around 25,000 notary signing agents. When you become a specialist, it's more rare, and the pay goes higher when you're a specialist. At the end of the day, what they really do is meet signers and make sure that all the documents are signed correctly, dated correctly, and initialed correctly. Some of the forms need to be filled out, but not all of them. You'll want to work with the title company for each document signing to make sure that before you send back the paperwork, it is perfect. That's why you get paid so much money. Guys, it's just signing paperwork. It's really an easy job, but you need to turn it into a business. If you join our email list right now, I'll immediately send you how to make 6 figures with loan signings straight to your inbox. Sign up at notarysigningagentblueprint.com. You're even invited. We have a private Facebook group called Notary Signing Agent Blueprint Group. Come and join the group. Feel free to like and share this video with who you feel could benefit. I look forward to seeing you personally in our next video.